What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to seasoning your smartwatch with the FitPro app on Android. To ensure you don't run into any connection errors, here's a pro tip. Uninstall the app and reinstall it before we start. This way, we're all starting with a fresh, clean configuration. First, make sure your Bluetooth and GPS location are turned on. Now, pay close attention. Long press the FitPro icon. Go to App Infos and look for the Permissions section. You must enable nearby devices, notifications, and location. If you skip any of these, the app won't be able to communicate with your watch properly. With everything set, open the app. Go to the Setter tab, and tap Bind Devices. Wait for your watch's name to appear and select it. Expert tip: if your watch doesn't show up at all, perform a factory resets directly from the watch's menu and try searching again. This fixes 99% of detection issues. Once connected, go to Message Pusher here. Choose the apps you want to read on your wrist. When you toggle the first one, Android will ask for special access. Find FitPro in the list, grant the permission, and return to the app to finish selecting WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. Finally, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off and that your phone doesn't have extreme battery saving enabled for this app. Both can block your alerts even if everything else is set up correctly. And that's it. Your smartwatch is now 100% functional. If this step-by-step tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.